Welcome to the Shenmaster unboxing video. Today, we're checking out the circuit board game for kids. Inside, you'll find a user manual, a problem-solving notebook, the game board, and positive and negative pole, 4 projection rockets, and connecting parts. All these accessories are neatly packed in our product box, so you don't have to worry about missing any parts. Ready for fun? Let's go! Game start. You need to choose level. The controls are super simple, making it easy to get started. And if you have any questions, the manual has all the answers. And then place poles and rocket as screen prompts. Now, placing connectors makes circuit work. Congratulations! Complete connection. You can see a clear image of planet on the small rocket. Keep pushing to higher difficulties. Feeling stuck? Not sure what is next? Don't worry. Find out the level in your answer book. Just follow the instructions step by step, and you can complete the level. The answer book is in color, so it's easy to understand. Isn't it fun? This circuit board game lets kids learn about circuits while playing. Say goodbye to phone and let's have fun with your kids.